Here I have OPPO F23 and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. To do it, firstly what you'll have to do is to go to upper bar and here you can find the button screen recording. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can adjust sound settings, like you can record system sound, you can record microphone sound, you can also change pictures definition, you can also change its frame rate, you can record front camera video, you can show screen touches, you can select video coding format. So to start recording, just tap on this button once. Then this kind of menu will appear. Here you can also switch sound settings. So to start recording, just tap on the red button once and recording is on. You can also pause it by tapping on the red button once, then play it again. And after you're done recording, just tap on this tick icon and after that recording will be saved to the photos, to the album called videos or screenshots. It will be in both of these albums. And from here you can share, favorite, edit, delete your recording or perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.